Hi everyone. So as I told in the previous video that how we can open our file. So I will go to this menu button, and I already downloaded the app. I will also share you that how to download that app in this tutorial. Now here we are in files, as you can see that. This is from officially from the Google. So you can use this one in order to view your files. Okay. And one more is this PowerPoint. In order to have your PowerPoint file, so you can install this app. How to install? We already know it. Just for my revision, I will go to Play Store, and I will be going to go to search box. This is search, and here I'm gonna write files. FIFILES. Okay, I will search for it, and it's written here like files by Google, and it is having very nice icon like green, yellow, red, blue color. So this one only we have to download it. Google LLC. Okay. This is actually provided by Google, like 5 billion plus download, something good. Okay, now we will go here. I will go back, and just want to say that if the PowerPoint is not there in your Android, so go ahead and write down PowerPoint. I already downloaded, so no issues, but I just want to show you this one, Microsoft Corporation Productivity Office Suite. So this one, no, we can download. I already downloaded, that's why the open is coming, but in case in your system it's not downloaded, then you have to download it. Okay, and then after that, yeah, so these two I can show the icons here also. You can see the files and you can see the PowerPoint. Now what happens most of the time, I also struggle a lot that we are opening the files with the help of file manager. We can do it, no issue about it. But the interface of this file manager is not that much productive, that much convenient as the files by Google. So this same interface we are having in there also, but you will see the difference. Okay, if you are comfortable with this, I have no issue about it. But if you will go and use this one, it is much more GUI based graphical user interface, and it is much friendly. You can see everything is coming here. Your JPEG files are coming here. It is also giving the name of the file. This facility is also available. Then its extension, that what type of file it is. For example, JPEG, it is like image file. WebP, again image file. So it is also, all these files are given here, and their preview is also given. You can click on the three dots, and some options you can, if you want to share, and these options are also available. Now you can go to downloads, and someone's query was there from that primary group, that they were unable to open the PPT file, right? So you go and search for any PPT file. Now this one is PPT, right? Environment CLI. If in your system PowerPoint is installed, so you can click here. Now this will be going to appear like WP Office. If it's installed, it will come. If PowerPoint is installed, PowerPoint will come. You can go and you can click on the PowerPoint, okay? Like this. And then you will see that in your Android only, your PPT file will return, okay? Now this is your PPT file about environment. I can go to slideshow. I can go from beginning. And here I have the first slide, then the second, third, fourth, and likewise. So I have all the slides, right? I can go to, okay, I have navigate to YouTube. Recents. Back. Just a second. Yeah, because I have clicked this YouTube link, so it was appeared there. Again, slideshow from beginning. We are good. We can just drag like this. Next slide, drag like this. Previous slide. This click back. We're back here, and other facilities are also available. Like Draw is there if you want to teach something and you want to use these type of tools. Like some of my favorite tools, the highlighter and the color. You can also use from here also. So we are explaining your slides, and also you're teaching the students. For example, count the number of E. So 1, then so 2. So 2 E's are there. So something like that, right? So this also it's possible. Okay, so we cover up about two things. The one is the files by Google, and second is the PowerPoint app, which is the part of Microsoft. Now this is not the whiteboard issue. Okay, this is coming from the software only. So that's a different part. In our whiteboard, it is resolved. If it is not resolved, then we are here for it. So you can please reach out. Okay. Let me recheck with whiteboard. Razor. It is working fine. Nice. So that was all about it. Thank you so much. We'll have to hear all your queries, and we'll have to hear that any particular thing or particular this tool you wanted to ask. So we'll be going to make a tutorial about that too. We are connected with the engineers of this NovoTouch and also the Vertiv. So they are helping us. They gave us some kind of meeting on call or something like that, and our queries get resolved. So thank you so much the management, thank you so much everyone for helping us and helping to give the rich and this productive educational experience to the students. Thank you so much teachers. This is all happened because of you guys. Jazakallah khair.